Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to run YouTube Shorts ads. So I got my other channel. I will quickly go to the studio of that channel. I am Saave. Now you can see these are some of the shorts. Now if you want to promote any particular short, you can go to that short in the studio and click on these three dots and click on promote. I will go to any some random short, right? This does not have views. I will just click on promote. Now, when you go to this, first is you should have a Google Ad account which would be linked to your YouTube channel. I have one, so I just select that, or you can create new, right? Now, what is your main goal for promoting YouTube Shorts? Over here, if you want more audience growth, that is to get more subscriptions and views of additional videos on your channel, you can select this. If you want to get particular video views on that video or short, you can do select this. Or if you want website visits, you can select this as well, right? So I will just keep audience growth for now. This is what the promotion will look like. If you want to change, you can click on this and you can choose any other specific video. In the mobile, it will appear like this, right? Now you can select the countries in which you want to show this ad, right? So if you have multiple countries, you can mention those. But if you're seeing that your audience is from this particular country and you want to increase views in maybe US so that you get higher RPM, you can mention those countries over here. This is one of the important things which you'll have to select. Does this have any European Union political ads? Since mine is travel, I am selecting no. You can do advanced targeting. You can select like female, male, or unknown. Who do you want to show this ad to? Because you can have some content which is specially for females, like some makeup or some skincare routine. Whatever your content is, you can target it as per gender, as per age group, and you can also show to viewers with following interest. Like if you have video which promotes maybe basketball products, you can mention it likewise basketball over here. Show to viewers who speak these languages. So your content is in some specific native language, you can mention the language over here so that it will only target who people who speak those languages, right? So you can mention all of this and then click on next. Now how much do you want to spend on this promotion campaign? That is what you have to select. Now my default currency is selected over here. Now this is 15th December is what I'm saying. So basis this, they are saying I'm spending 230 rupees, that is around $3 per day for the campaign, which will get me estimated around 3.5 to 14,000 estimated views and around 33 to 100k expressions. So they mention over here like, oh, what do they mean by promotion views and promotion impressions? So you have to understand these are estimates and not the actual numbers, which would be definitely what you would be getting, right? So take a note of that, and you can increase or change the budget over here. If you want to increase it, you can mention it. Likewise, you can see they are mentioning that it should be at least 1750, that is I guess $20, right? That is the minimum amount you have to do, and that means around $1.5. You can decrease the length of the promotional campaign also. You can get the estimates what they're saying. Next tab is the billing tab, and when you go on the billing tab, it will basically ask you to select your payment info, right? Since I have already linked my Google ad account, I just have to add a payment method, a credit card, debit card, net banking, and it will then click on promote, and they will then review it once, the overall campaign which you have raised, and then start the promotion, and we'll get a trigger once the video promotion starts. And once all the promotions have started, you can learn about previous promotions which have run on your channel in the promotions tab over here, right? Since I have not run any promotions, none are appearing over here. But if you are running any promotions for any of the videos, all those appear over here with their statistics. Yeah, I hope this is helpful. If you have any queries, do drop in the comments section your queries, and we'll get back to you with the solutions for it. Also, do check out our ebook, which is the YouTube Launch Playbook, primarily targeting all those who are starting out on their YouTube journey, because it is a step by step guide, literally a step by step guide with detail on how to set up your YouTube channel, how to update your settings, and do the nitty gritties before starting off the YouTube journey. And then every video, how do you build it so that you get the maximum growth and engagement for those videos throughout the lifetime, right? Many of the steps are missed out generally when you upload a YouTube video, set up the YouTube channel, or then promote it, right? So all the right tips and tricks, along with which tools to use, what's the best way to utilize it, all are incorporated in this ebook. Do check it out. The link is mentioned in the video description. Thanks. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such inputs.